Hello, welcome back to Let's Talk channel. So today we are going to see about 8 interesting facts about space. This is an suggest topic by many people. So we have chosen this topic and let us move to the video. Fact number 1. Space is completely silent. The reason is there is no atmosphere in space, which means that the sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Fact number 2. There may be a planet made out of diamonds. As space fact go, this is a pretty impressive. Research by Yale University, scientists suggest that a rocky planet called 55 Carinae, which has radius twice Earth's and the Mars 8 times greater than Earth. May a surface is made up of diamond. It is 40 light years away but visible to the naked eye in the concentration of Cancer. Fact number 3. The footprint on moon will be there for 100 million years. The reason is the moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprint away. This means the footprint of Apollo astronauts along with spacecraft print, recover prints and discrete material will be there for million years. Fact number 4. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year. This means Venus has slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 days of Earth, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. Fact number 5. There is a floating water in space. Astronauts have found a messy water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in Earth's ocean, somewhere around 10 billion light years away, making its largest discovery of water ever found. The largest known asteroid is 965 km wide. It is discovered by Italian astronaut called Giuseppe Paisi in 1801. The dwarf planet Ceres was the first and largest object to be considered an asteroid. It is located in asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter and accounts for 33% of entire belt's mass. The moon was once a piece of the earth. I think you all know this. The reason is the theory is that when Earth was a relative young planet, it was struck by the grained object and this broken a piece of the earth away to create the moon. This piece then began to the orbit the earth as the result of its gravitational pull. Fact number 8. There is a volcano on Mars 3 times the size of Everest. At 6,000 km wide and 2,000 km height, Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars that may still be active according to the scientists. It is a tallest peak of any planet. However, the central peak on the asteroid Vesta is taller at 22 km. So that's all 8 interesting facts is over and we'll see you in next part 2. Like this video, comment, share and subscribe to Let's Talk channel and click the bell icon near it. Thanks for watching.